Hello teachers, this is the instruction guide for Primary 2, Term 3, Week 12, the final week. Okay, so for this week, there are two books. The first book is the last book, if you recall, that you did with them last week. Most likely you have not finished going through the questions with them. So I would suggest that you make use of the class time to go through all those questions with them, do as many as possible. Occasionally, you might want to challenge them to draw the model on your own, right? But I think you should cover at least up to page 10, right? I believe you can do more. So those that, if you're able to complete everything before, sorry, I beg your pardon, sorry, this is the first book, so I think you should be able to complete the whole book, right, by the end of the lesson. So what I would like you all to do is, if you are able to finish up everything, then the second book will be used as homework, right? If you're only able to do this partially, okay, which means you have a few questions that are not done yet, you may also assign this as homework, okay? But the second book will be used as, will be assigned as homework as well. One particular question that I think you should definitely go through with them, right? Whether there's, like, so you have to perhaps plan your time. Is this kind of question? Previously, they do not have a lot of experience doing it, right? So this question is about, so-called establishing, or no, rather doing a comparison model, right? But based on multiplication nature. So the pair of genes cost 4 times. They need to understand why they draw 4 units, right? Versus the 1 unit of cap. Okay, so make sure that this is actually done with them. Okay, I also need to mention that this week they would have gotten their multiplication test paper back. I believe that there are some questions that students have found challenging, especially the last one. So perhaps at the start of a class, if you find that there are some common questions that everyone doesn't know how to do, you may make use of the start of the class time to go through the corrections with them. Okay, so the order would be go through multiplication corrections, if any, right? The key ones, which is the word problem. And then after that, you can proceed to complete rest of 2-4, right? Book 2, which is this book here. And then the remaining time, all right, if you have time, you can move on to this. If not, this can be assigned as homework as well, right? So need to assign this as homework. That's it. Thank you.